Someone really come back in 2025 with him fuck. And guy in a one broke the house. Dirty up himself and dirty up the people them. I hope CDA to that video. Since I see my suffer like how you say my suffer on the baby. My CDA, I want to know what the epic in it for you.
When you hear that, my viewers, me have the rest of that video they phone to listen to. Me I go show you the biggest chopper them in a Jamaica. Them chopper ya, them nah for call nobody. All them have to do is just get a pitney if them nah no pitney and video themselves in our old broke down house and the people them are foreign feel sorry for them and start send beer money come give them. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video ya. Subscribe to my channel if you no subscribe yet. So here we are going to them people. Jamaican Kingpin get catch a Florida. Plus wanted man bull. Squaddy them catch him a Linstead. And Anjay found dead in a house at Portmore. So before me jump in at the reasoning and me gonna know where I go on. Pre this.
Someone really come back in 2025 with him fuck. And guy in a one broke the house. Dirty up himself and dirty up the people them. I hope CDA to that video. Since I see my suffer like how you say my suffer on the baby. My CDA, I want to know what the epic in it for you, yes. I get more than the money for you picking and then you come back on the ball again. We tired of you know. We tired of blood clot, man. Come down, man. And come down peacefully too. Bumbo hole.
When you hear that, my viewers, see the man wanna sip on the screen right now with that pitney where look like him need help. Him no need no help, you know. I hears him a do this, you know. Him just find a way, you know, and realize that the people them overseas gullible, you know. So as what I say, this are one of the biggest chop them in a Jamaica right now. Sympathy love. All you have to do, play like you suffer. Find a little old boardhouse with zinc on the top. Find a tenement yard and sit down in there with your pitney them. Throw beer dirt pan them. Make sure them none yam for 2 days so them lip them look white. So when you make the video, the thing look realistic. And people are foreign go buy it. You never know. The amount of people send money go give that man ya. Till see it ya, the man take it as in profession now. Where him just a post up video every 2 years or every 6 months in a different ghetto. And I chop the people them. So see it ya my viewers. This is one of the biggest chop in a Jamaica right now. Play like you suffer. Play like you not have nothing. With a little pitney in your lap. And a beg. And you see how much money you make. The youth them now have to call no line again, you know. The youth them now have to wait for no leads again, you know. A sympathy love make the youth them a rich boy, you know. So see me my viewers. As what the brother saying in the video. You know, stop sending no money go give certain people. Cause most of them people you know do not no good do no money. More than buy clothes, champagne, cigarette, and sit down and laugh off enough for you know. So see me my people. Tell me what you think about this. And walk with me you know. Me go show you the Jamaican Kingpin. The boss we get all of Florida. You see me my viewers. Alvin Davis. The man you wanna see on the screen. Police them arrest him at Daytona Beach, Florida. And them catch him with 6 kilo of coke, 15 pound of meth. And the police them a say, Alvin Davis are the real boss. Him a the real Jamaican Kingpin. Them man ya, did have a bag of man a hustle for South Florida. When you talk about trafficking cocaine and fentanyl, you talk about Alvin Davis. Them man ya, did a make $1 million a week. My people, I'm tired for say this, you know. Most of you left from Boyanga, Uncle Sam country go get comfortable. But you have to remember this. I know our country, you know. And remember the reason why you there in Uncle Sam country, you know. Have to make money and dig off and go back on the yard. Because Alvin Davis come to Florida on a working visa. Him working visa get expire. You see how much money him did I make? Him could have go back to Jamaica, you know. And sort out him thing, you know. But him never do that, my people. Him stay at Florida and a hustle and a move coke and a move meth and never know say somebody with a inform on him. Or him never know say him with a dep on the police them radar. Till see it you know. You want all, now you go lose all. So my viewers, you know walk with me you know. See me, wanted man, Glendon Amos. aka Bull, we murder Sean Paul, aka Shala, in a 2022. Police them dep on a operation at Linstead, St. Catherine, and program go run, and them here where Bull there, and when them kick off the door and go run at the house, them find Bull, and one of them charge them. And my people, you know long Bull dep on JCF wanted Wednesday. You know long police a tell the boy to report himself, turn in himself, and him never want do it. You know how much man Bull murder, how much robbery him go pan, how much thing the boy a do. Bull is a real menace to society. And him fi thank God say squaddy them never bust out him head, you know. How him lucky so. Squaddy a what? You never want murder him. You never dey no killing vibes. Make you spare him and bring him in. A boy like Bull for dep on a stretcher, you know. Yellow tape, you know. Chalk out in the middle of the street, you know. So you do this. When me bring him in, did I beg for him life? Go down on him knee and I cry? So as I say, my people, see me, top killer Bull, squaddy them, hold him at St. Catherine, and see it there. It no matter how much dopey you want to have to your name. It no matter how much people want afraid of you up on the lane. See it here now, jail settings. So my people, we're going to go to Portmore right now, you know. Where we see 37-year-old Anjay Imat from Smith Avenue, Newland. Police them find him in a house. And when the police them find him in a house, beer blood them find a run out time mouth. And y'all tell me say, nobody no know what happened to Anjay. Anjay family them never hear what happened to him. Y'all tell me say, Anjay just dead in a house so and nobody know who do this to him or what take place. See it here, my people. I tell you every day, you know. More time enough for you could have feel like say I like to talk, you know. But what? No love no dey boy. Yeah. Don't watch a look of sympathy love when you see people that show up on the media. That fake. You hear that? Your own family. We cook food in your house and they even want to give you a plate of food. And him go dash with the food. And don't give you the food. So see it here, my people. Anjay Hyman, a laborer. Them find him in a house at Portmore, me I tell you no. Dead like dog. With beer blood around out time mouth. And everybody I wonder could have who do this to him. So who live with him? Them never hear when him a scream out. Them never hear who come in him house. Him live alone. Things set away boy, me I tell you no my people. That's why I always hear me tell you no say for protect on life out there. Cause the people them boy, them not care about life. We see that every day. Every day we wake up, just prepare on yourself here say I'll 10-5 youth drop on them face. Cause that's the thing boy. Be a dead settings. Be a death announcement. So my people, until next time, stay safe out there. You don't know the code. A life over death a road.